Welcome back. You caught me saying goodbye to Frankie. She is not happy with me. I'm off to Austin, Texas to cook alongside with my brother Chad and Aaron Franklin and a ton of other amazing chefs at the world famous Hot Luck Fest this year. Second time in a row. Second year we've been asked back as the only vegan plant-based chefs. First I gotta get out of London and I gotta stop in for some treats. This show and I am sponsored by Wicked Kitchen, and we sell the chocolates out of WHSmith in Heathrow whenever you're passing through. And this year we're cooking up close to 400 pounds of mushrooms. The majority of those going to be lion's mane, and making some amazing steaks and steak tips. And we're going to be doing burnt ends, and we're going to be doing using some black pearl oyster mushrooms to make a poke, super refreshing salad, and a few other things that you'll see. So I'm not going to be sharing any recipes in this. This is just a recap of the whole event, which was amazing. We did a lot of cooking. It took about 2 or 3 days to prep up, just get everything all set, try some new things I wanted to show off. We're also working with my brother Chad and the whole team, the Wicked team, helping out here. It was really an amazing event. We partnered with the Mushroom Council, so really to help promote mushrooms and how meaty they are. And again, as the only plant-based vegan chefs, we're not showing or doing any of the quote unquote fake meats, plant-based meats, which I think are amazing and they definitely serve their purpose. But here we're going whole foods, plant-based awesomeness, mushrooms, the meatiness of mushrooms. And this is the event day. We had an amazing booth. We set up the first shroom house, steakhouse theme, roadhouse theme from one of my favorite movies with Sam Elliott, the Mustache King. And here's what it looked like day of the event. I got your back. It was super cool to partner with the Mushroom Council to create the amazing shroom house. First that I know, and definitely the first ever showcasing these mushrooms as center stage that they deserve, being so meaty and so delicious. We didn't have the word vegan on the booth, but everything was 100% plant-based. And I think that really took the tension off of people, and they loved it. Like, everybody was coming up, everybody tried it, they loved it, they were just amazed. Wow, you can do this with mushrooms? It's freaking amazing. Really, really awesome. And here's Sean Henry from Hi-Fi. We're using a lot of his mushrooms, just talking them through the whole range, what we were doing with them. Super cool to see him. So many cool people there, so many amazing chefs. And you get to play with fire outside. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? We had lines the whole time. The event was from 7 to 10. It was amazing. It was a lot of work, but it was super fun, super rewarding, and I'm super proud of the team and how we all pulled this off. It was amazing. And looking forward to maybe doing another one next year if we're invited back. Yeah. I leave you with all of this amazing goodness. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting Wicked Kitchen. Thanks for eating more plant-based. Thanks for trying it. If you're not vegan and you just try it, once in a while. It's always good to eat more veggies and more mushrooms. Anyways, guys, thank you. Sorry I'm late posting this video. Been busy traveling back and forth. I'm back in London now, so getting back to work. I will see you soon. Another potluck down.